What if you can earn money by clicking on Facebook posts, no matter where you're coming from, India, the Philippines, USA, Canada, Nigeria, or any other country? This can be done even with just your phone or just your laptop or computer. Just be sure to do yourself a favor by clicking that red subscribe button and turning the notification on, and it will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online. So you can be one of the first to use it, and that way, of course, make the most money. Okay, so let us begin with step number 1, because this tutorial is going to be divided into actionable steps which you can follow, and you can even follow the steps while watching this video. So you can follow along with me, and as soon as the video ends, you will be ready to go out there and start making money just by liking your Facebook posts for absolutely free. Remember, you can make money today if you take an action. Step number 1 is to come over to facebook.com. You will need to click on the Create New Account to create a Facebook account if you haven't already. If you already have a Facebook profile, then you don't have to do that. You just need to enter an email address, enter a password, and just log into your Facebook account. But in case you don't have it yet, just click Create New Account and just sign up for absolutely free by entering some basic information about yourself like your full name or email address. Create a password, enter your birthday, enter gender, and just click sign up as soon as you create a Facebook account and as soon as you log into your Facebook account. You will need to proceed to step number 2. Step number 2 is to come over to a platform called like.org. Now this is a place where we will be collecting points for liking Facebook posts, and then I'm going to show you how you can exchange those points for real money. I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your money with whatever payment option you prefer. And don't worry, this will not involve selling your points or whatsoever, because this strategy has nothing to do with selling, so no selling at all. You just need to like those posts, set up something which I'm about to show in this video for absolutely free, and withdraw your money in again and again. Anyways, step number 2, come over to like.org and click on the register button right here. Now you will need to create an account by creating a unique username for your account by entering a password or retyping the same password. Enter your email address, retype your email address. Then you can read their terms and conditions by clicking on this link right here. And if you agree, you just click on I agree to terms and conditions. Click I'm not a robot and just click submit. Now you have created a like for like account. Step number 3, now you will need to log into your like for like account, and here on the right hand side you will be able to see your credits. These are your points. As you can see, I currently have 8 points, and the more points you have, the more money you will be able to make. Of course, now to collect those points, you will just need to hover your mouse on social media exchange right here, and you only do so as Facebook likes over here. Click on that and stay tuned until the end of the video so I can show you where you can actually throw your money, because as you may have noticed, there is no withdrawal button on this website, because there's something simple which you need to do to actually collect your money. And don't worry, this requires no selling once again. So you go to Facebook likes and you just click on the like button right here. You've been collecting those points, but how do you cash out? Well, you will need to use the external website called cpalead.com. Come over to cpalead.com and register an account for absolutely free. It's gonna take you less than a minute to just create an absolutely free account. And here on the left-hand side, I want you to select offers. Click on offers, and that's going to give you lots of different CPA offers. CPA stands for cost per action, which means that you can refer people, do some offer where they can sign up for absolutely free by entering their email address, and you will get credited a certain amount of money. So if someone signs up for this offer, you will get paid 68 cents per person. They don't need to spend any money. They don't need to buy anything. You will still get credited. Just imagine you having 100 for absolutely free for this offer. That's going to be $68. 1,000 people sign up, there's going to be $680, and so on and so forth. You can explore all of these offers and you can grab anything you prefer. For the sake of this tutorial, I will be using this offer just for example. Like this is a giveaway where people have a chance to win a new iPhone 13 Pro giveaway just by signing out. Do that giveaway for absolutely free. And whenever someone signs out through that giveaway, I will get paid 58 cents now. The next step what you need to complete, once you find a suitable offer for you, you just need to click on the offer and that's immediately going to give you your referral link. As you can see, you don't have to wait around to get accepted or whatsoever. You can immediately just copy your affiliate link whenever clicks. And whenever someone clicks on this, they can sign up the announcement with a free giveaway and you will get paid 58 cents in this case. Of course, there are going to be some offers that are going to pay a lot more, but for this example, I'm using this offer and this particular offer is paying 58 cents per lead. As soon as you grab your referral link, you will need to head over to bio.fm. And don't worry, we are setting up this withdrawal method only once. You will not have to do this again and again. You will do it just once, so you can follow along now with me. Set it up once and after that, you can go back, leave likes and Facebook, and just exchange those points for real money because you have everything set up. So once again, come over to bio.fm. You will need to click on sign up for free. So you can create a brand new absolutely free account. You can do that either by connecting your Twitter or your email. And once you create a brand new bio.fm account, this is how it's going to look like. Just click on edit blocks right here. This will all make sense in a minute. Just stick with me, then click on tap to add content right here, then scroll up, click on links and websites, and you will need to click next right here. Then just in the title you can type in giveaways or something like that. Then down below in your link title, you will just type in whatever your offer is about. Offer is about iPhone 11 Pro giveaway, and I will type that, and that's obviously going to depend on the offer you choose from CP a lead, but for me as the new iPhone 11 Pro giveaway. Then I will grab my referral link from here. This is my referral link and I will just paste it over here. As soon as you do that, as soon as you add your referral link, just click on add blog and hit publish. Now you can copy this link, this bio.fm link, and whenever someone goes to that link, let me show where that's gonna send them. It's gonna send them to a page that's going to look something like this. As you can see, they have this giveaways section over here, and they can click on this. They can sign up for a giveaway for absolutely free, and you will get paid in this case if the 8 cents again and again whenever someone clicks and signs up for absolutely free. Step number 7. Now just go back to facebook.com and you can definitely use your brand new account for this. You don't have to use the profile where you have your friends and family as your Facebook friends, because then they will see the post which you're about to publish right now. So you can definitely use a brand new account because you do not need any followers. You do not need any Facebook friends for this, and you don't need any likes or whatsoever. This will all make sense in a minute. Anyways, you will come over to your Facebook profile. You will go to what's on your mind, so you can publish something, and that something is going to be something along the lines of want to enter, go here, and just paste your bio.fm link. Now, I'm going to say in the title iPhone 11 Pro giveaway because once again, I'm promoting that particular offer. But it's obviously going to depend on your offer as well, and you're pasting your bio.fm link here so they can go to bio.fm, they can click on this, and they can sign up for free. And the reason you're using bio.fm and you're not directly posting the CP lead the link is because Facebook will not approve that post. So that's why you're using bio.fm for absolutely free, to be kinda like your middleman on your landing page for that link. So you want to get banned from Facebook or whatsoever. Now you can just publish this, grab the link that takes people to this post. Just copy that and go back to likeforlike.org, and here's where the magic happens. Likeforlike.org is a social media exchange marketplace where you can like different Facebook posts, and in exchange, you will get credits which you can then exchange for other social media engagement. And that can actually be Facebook followers, shares, YouTube live subscribers, Instagram likes followers, and so on and so forth. But we will be strictly following on Facebook shares, and you will see why. So I want us to go to Facebook shares and click on this gear icon on the right-hand side. Click on that paste your Facebook posts a link right here. Select the credits to be 9 and click on add a URL. And what that will do is now other people can go to Facebook shares section and they will start sharing your Facebook post with your biodiver link and they will get 9 of your credit. So as you can see, it's a credit exchange platform. So you like someone's pose and in return the Facebook post. And just imagine all those people sharing your posts in Facebook. They probably have a lot of friends and family on their Facebook accounts. And now all their friends and family will be able to see it as giveaway. And I mean, it's absolutely free to sign up. A lot of them will end up clicking on the link that's going to take them to the offer where they can sign up and you can earn money on in complete autopilot. And in order to maximize your results and earn even more money, you will need to earn more credits so you can get more Facebook shares and to earn more credits. Just go back to social media exchange, go to Facebook likes, and keep leaving likes on those Facebook accounts, on those Facebook posts. And that's, my friend, how you can set up this withdrawal methods in a couple of minutes and go back to like for like, leave Facebook likes, and collect profits on complete autopilot again and again. It works really, really well, and it's all absolutely free. No investment needed. Remember, you can make money today if you take an action. I hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. And as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in some of the next video.